Welcome back to Collector's Conquest. You may be asking, why do you got ICP, Insane Clown Posse bobbleheads up on your shelf here? Well, because the brand new Pro Wrestling Crate Tag Teams Part 7 may have some ICP items inside here. So, pretty excited to open this thing up. This is a brand new, I haven't bought a brand new Pro Wrestling Crate in quite a long time. I usually get the Overstock crate, which has old items. This is brand new, just came out. So we're going to see what's inside. But besides ICP and music, which I admit, I am and was an ICP fan, so sorry. But anyways, them in wrestling, amazing. Like, it was so fun watching them come out in WWF with the oddities. It was just so cool. And the fact that Violent J is still running JCW, and now it's a weekly show on YouTube, and it's got really good wrestling in it. So if you're into wrestling, check it out. But if you're into wrestling and just the ICP shenanigans, check out JCW on YouTube. I think it's under their Psychopathic Records YouTube channel, but you could probably just look it up. All right, I think this is a spoiler card, so I'm not going to look at that. We'll look at it at the end in case it's not a spoiler card. But first thing we got is a t-shirt. Oh, wow. The whole effing show was Saw effing Boo Sabu. Wow, the tag team of RVD and Sabu. That is a wild looking shirt there. I don't remember that logo, if that's what was an actual logo they used. But man, that is cool. Rest in peace to Sabu, though. He just passed away like a month ago or a few weeks ago, pretty soon after his final match. So that was pretty hard. Like, I mean, for him to have such a crazy hardcore match and then die pretty soon after it, I don't know. But hey, Sabu was a legend. I have some of his figures and stuff. And I mean, RVD also. RVD's still alive. Two of the best wrestlers ever. And not just in ECW. They are just amazing. Definitely entertaining anytime you saw Sabu or RVD wrestling. Second shirt. Hardy's forever since 1992. So you got a Hardy Boyz shirt. Pretty cool. Not sure if I really dig the style here, but not too bad. All right, we got more in here. Whoa. Oh, I thought this was Bret Hitman Hart. It says Truth Turbo. I don't know if that's a wrestler or what. I'll have to look into that. I know there's a wrestler named R-Truth, but alright. We got a pin here, Los Guerreros. That's awesome. Los Guerreros pin. I'm saving a couple items on purpose for the end, and there's also chances of chase on those two items. Here's another item that I'm not saving. We got an earthquake air freshener. It smells like armpits. No. That's pretty cool. Earthquake air freshener. Not sure if I'm going to open that thing up. And Typhoon tag team. Oh, Truth Turbo. So that's a tag team. Everything's a tag team. I forgot. So we got the Earthquake and Typhoon, the Natural Disasters tag team right there. We may be down to the, well, I think we might have an autograph. Let's check the autograph before we get to the last two items. All right, who do we get? I don't want to get a spoiler. 3, 2, boom! Oh, we got what were they on AEW? The tag team with the guy who passed away. What the? That looks like an old school one. Who's that? Dr. something? I feel a little silly not knowing who that is. But I can't even remember these people's names. Definitely watched them on AEW when they had the faction Dark something. You can tell I haven't watched wrestling in quite a while, so this is like just getting this crate is out of the ordinary for me because I don't really watch wrestling much anymore. Wrestling is kind of a thing where I would say the majority of people go in and out of it. Like they'll get really into it and then not watch it for a few years and then get really into it again. Well, that's already happened to me, so I'm kind of on my down spiral again of not watching it. Hopefully soon something really piques my interest besides watching JCW every once in a while. I don't watch WWE or AEW anymore, so alright, I think we're down to the last two items. Possible chance of chase on these, so here we go. 3, 2, boom! Oh, sweet. That is awesome. I don't think this is the chase. I'm sure it would have said. But look at that. We got Violent J, Micro Brawlers. Pretty awesome. Let's see if we can pull a chase on Shaggy 2 Dope. 3, 2, boom! I don't think it's a chase. So we got Violent J and Shaggy 2 Dope right here. That is awesome. I don't know what the difference on the chases are or not, but I'm just happy to have these because ICP hasn't really put out any action figures in a while. They've put out probably I don't know, I would say 4 to 5 sets of action figures. I have the, I believe, original. I'll have to post a picture up here of what it looks like because it's way up there. And then I have like a Shaggy 2 Dope of one of the, I don't know, eras way after the original figures, but they've also had some other ones. But what was your favorite thing that I pulled out of this? Was it all the random autographs from the Dark World Order or whatever the hell they were called? Okay, here we go. We got the cheat card, sorry. RVD and Sabu, we can see what your favorite was from this. The RVD and Sabu shirt, the Hardy's shirt, the ICP Micro Brawlers. You got the Los Guerreros enamel pen. Silver and Reynolds 8x10s. Natural Disasters air freshener. The Outrunners glasses. So this is from the Outrunners. And that last autograph is a bonus autograph by Tom Prichard, Dr. Tom Prichard. So I would say this was an amazing crate. Like, I love the Guerreros for sure. The Natural Disasters were awesome. I'll have to look up who these are because I'm just drawing a blank. But definitely the ICP figures and the RVD shirt with Sabu. Amazing. Thanks for checking out Collector's Conquest. I got a main channel where I do toy hunts, conventions, all kinds of stuff. Definitely check that out. Links in the description. If you want to join my channel membership, that link's in the description as well. Or if you don't want to join through YouTube, I can sign you up through Venmo. Just email me, collectorsconquest@gmail.com, or reach out to me on Instagram at collectorsconquest. But either way, every month you get a swag item like a sticker or a postcard. Every week you get a members only exclusive video, and you get your name after the video, just like this.
Join Collectors Conquest, Clown membership. So many exclusives, don't want to miss.
Check out Pophouse with Animal. His collection and drive is unmatchable. If trading cards and toys are your thing, you know every day he's gonna bring.
Dino Sarah, she's a beast in the pack. She rolls with the Magnum, but looking back, pterodactyl grit. T-Rex attack, taking no prisoners, that's a fact. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's a fact.
Check out T-Man, YouTube channel. Get super heroes going fight, always in the battle. Beanie T's video games are so cool. If it keeps the awesome stuff, this guy rules.
Check out, I'm saying, she got so much stuff to say. I'm saying, crazy thing, rock the roll is what she brings.
Just can't match. Also my own, we no mobile, judge on big shoes, so watch this channel for real.
Check out Cheryl's Collector's Galaxy. Our Disney collection looks like a gallery. Lounge, Flying Grogu, and don't forget Stitch. She shows so many awesome things, you'll never wanna switch.
Check out KeeTons Of Fun. Where goes the Funko Sodas? They're number one. Be a chase, same not 3 times. When you hear the intro, the only show time.
Check out 2 boys and their scary pops. On the inside of their scares, you might face a cyclops. Ghost face slashes through horror toys. By the time you're done watching, you might see white noise.
Check out frogpopfanatic. Every new ninja turtle makes a mix static. Puppet master and killer clowns, handmade by robots. He's always hunting down.
Check out Mary Poppins Pops. The stray dog shows all the Funko drops. Mystery boxes don't stand a chance. Whoa, whoa, it is what your dog road chance.
Collector's Conquest channel membership. So many exclusives you don't want to miss.
Hey, it's Collector's Conquest. Have you ever wanted to help support the channel? Well, you can now. We have some new donation options. If you donate $5 or more, you'll get the exclusive 80s hologram sticker and the pretty dang cool pin. Check that thing out. That's pretty dang cool. And also, you'll get whatever free swag we already have. We got stickers. We got some buttons that you get when you win giveaways. All that just for $5. We'll send it out to you for free. Check the links below. We got a Venmo and Cash App only. And if you want to help out even more, consider donating $30 or more and you'll get this free Collector's Conquest t-shirt. We also have a couple other designs, so contact me on Instagram or email me to see those designs. But I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Check the links below. And at the $30 t-shirt level, you also get all that other swag in the $5 level.